Hi, to improve battery life on your POCO X7, we need actually just one app. So open your app drawer and find this security app in which you can choose battery. So here you'll find many features for improving battery performance, and now there is no need to go in settings and just search for these features separately in many different tabs and sections. So simply choose Security app, go in Battery, and firstly, in current mode, don't forget to enable battery saver, especially if you got low battery power such as 20%, for example. You can switch to battery saver. Here you can see how many extra time you can get. When enabling this feature, just tap OK, and now it's on. When you're planning to charge your phone, then switch to balance, so disable battery saver because it drains battery. Now we need to go in battery checkup, and here we can actually see what we can do to increase and improve battery life. For example, we can close apps that drains battery, and this will add up to 8 minutes. And also we can turn on dark mode, which will add up to 49 minutes, and this is just amazing. I'm gonna agree to that. Switch to dark mode. Here we can also choose to turn off always on display because this feature consumes battery a lot. So also turn off always on display. You can also clear memory 10 minutes after locking device, because background activity consumes a lot of power. You can turn off location services when you don't need them. I suggest you to do this. And also turn off haptic feedback if it is not important for you. You can also enable don't wake screen for notifications, lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity, which is also perfect. It will add at 10 minutes. And we can restrict 5G connectivity because 4G is just fine. And now we can add 1 hour and 54 minutes, which is amazing. So if you are willing to do this and you want to improve battery life, just hit this green button and add 1 hour and 54 minutes. Now we can go back, choose charging options, and here we can choose to charge phone really fast. So let's go back and also go in battery protection. Here you can check battery info such as battery health, temperature, number of charges today. And in charging protection, you can also enable optimized charging or battery protection to extend battery life. So now charging will stop when battery level reaches 80%. I highly recommend you to enable this one because it will really extend battery life and improve battery life. So also in additional features, we can enable call endurance mode. I suggest you to do this as well to limit device performance and to extend the battery life when the ambient temperature is extremely low. So right here, don't forget to visit battery checkups from time to time. And now we just managed everything in one app, and this is just amazing. So there is no need to visit settings, find dark mode here, find low power mode here. All is gathered in one security app. And yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.